Welcome back. Today we are going to focus on two global collaborative projects, Skype in the Classroom and Journey North. Let's begin with Microsoft Skype in the Classroom. This project is a collaboration from Microsoft. The purpose of this project is to put educators in connection with other educators across the world through topics with the use of Skype. As you can see, there is a multitude of topics to choose from: geography and culture, empathy and compassion, reading and writing, and what I will focus on today, STEM. This would add that global element to our STEM lessons because my school is in the process of its second recertification, STEM recertification. This project can benefit a K-12 classroom setting with a multitude of Skype projects to explore. Let's look at how to set up an account. You will sign up for free, but you must authenticate by using an Office 365 or Microsoft account. You will then verify your information, select how you will participate, and then you can explore Skype in the Classroom. Skype in the Classroom has 3 first steps for recommendation, such as Introductory to Skype in the Classroom course, 10 reasons to use Skype in your classroom, as well as activity plans that could benefit your curriculum, and courses and resources that you can use to implement Skype in the Classroom effectively. I feel like this is an easy resource to implement into the classroom. Educators extend the Skype sessions into their classroom and find ways to implement the projects into your everyday lessons. The projects and Skype sessions vary in length of implementation. Let's explore some STEM projects. One of the main tools used is Skype, of course, and then other tech tools such as Twitter and blogging follow with each different project. Let's explore a few STEM projects, such as tackling plastic pollution and protecting the wildlife. As you can see, you can choose from different projects to participate in. The last global collaboration project that we will explore today is Journey North. The hosting site for this particular collaboration is Journey North through the University of Wisconsin-Madison Arboretum. It has over 60,000 registered cities in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. The purpose of this project is to report sightings from the field, view maps, take pictures, and leave comments about real-time waves of migrations across the continent. Through Journey North, we are able to explore life cycles, migration patterns, and tracking sunlight and seasonal patterns. This particular hosting site could benefit classrooms in K-12. One particular project that I'm going to focus on is Mystery Class. For this particular project, Mystery Class Seasons Challenge, a calendar timeline is set for the teacher. As you can see here. You must register to the site by going here to the registration link in order to collect your observations and contribute to the project. As you can see in this particular timeline, it lasts about 4 months, beginning in January and ending in April. Tools such as data collection, online forms, blogging for updates, calculations, map evaluation of cities, research databases for discovering new cities or countries, and so many more tech tools can be used within this one project. I also love that this project can be differentiated across grade levels. For my particular grade level, we would look at the patterns of the movement of the sun, moon, and stars as seen from Earth can be observed, described, and predicted. I hope that these resources can help to reach beyond your classroom and discover what our world has to offer.